Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the conhostv2 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Don't let conhostv2 Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the conhostv2 Library, the console window host v2 library. It manages the localized UI rendering and localized input buffer for the Windows command prompt, cmd.exe, and PowerShell. It facilitates modern localized terminal features like transparency, ANSI color support, and localized font scaling. Corruption prevents terminal windows from opening. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore conhostv2 Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with conhostv2 Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. A quick safety warning: never download files like conhostv2 Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes conhostv2 library-related documentation. If this diagnostic helped you resolve conhostv2 library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.